Alright, this time we're going to look at dividing fractions, which is going to be very similar to when we were adding fractions. So in dividing fractions, let's say we have 1/4 divided by 6. Okay, so we're dividing a fraction by a whole number. We can't divide fractions, so we have to turn this into a multiplication problem. And I know that this would be 6/1. So we're going to take this and say 1/4 times, and the key to division problem is taking a reciprocal of the second fraction. So we're going to take 6/1 and turn it into 1/6. Then it's just a multiplication problem where we multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 6 is 24. This problem can't be reduced, so it is the final answer. If we want to divide two fractions, say 1/4 divided by 1/3. Again, we need to turn this into a multiplication problem. We cannot divide fractions, so we turn it into a multiplication problem by taking the reciprocal of the second fraction. We're going to flip this number over, it becomes 3/1. Then this is just a multiplication problem. We're multiplying straight across. 1 times 3 is 3. And 4 times 1 is 4. 3/4 cannot be simplified, so it is the final answer. And finally, we're going to divide a mixed number divided by a fraction. First thing I know is I can't do anything with this mixed number in a multiplication problem. So we're going to change the mixed number. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Over denominator stays the same, divided by 1/2. Now I need to turn this into a multiplication problem. So the first number is going to stay the same, 13/4, times the reciprocal of the second fraction, 2/1. And then it's a multiplication problem. We just multiply straight across. 13 times 2 is 26, and 4 times 1 is 4. Which leaves us with an improper fraction, which we know we need to turn into a mixed number. So 4 will go into 26 6 times, with 2 left over 4. And I can simplify 2/4. The final answer would be 6 1/2. And that's how we divide fractions.